up, guys? Another day working on the 240. Stopped by Harbor Freight, picked up some hose clamps so I can get the power steering line. I still need to get vacuum line and a hose for the bottom side of the radiator. Yo, what up? Working on the 240 again. Got some parts in the mail today. I got one of those Gates flex hoses. This is the 20-inch flex hose. For the top hose, I just used one of the, I think it's the KA, and I just chopped it up and just kind of wedged it in there. But for the bottom, I wasn't sure if the other one would fit, so I got this one. I just need to throw it in there. Also got this coupler. It's a 3.5 inch to 2.5 inch. And I got my power steering belt. I've got the RB mount, the KA pulley and pump, and the belt I have is a 3PK 900. I also picked up this from Harbor Freight for like $6. I was able to finish the install of this pulley, and I also just threw these in there just so it looks nicer. So I had the turbo on, and it was all good and everything. Then I got new tie rods to finally put on. So I go to straighten the wheel, and it's hitting something. So I look, and it's the screamer pipe. Hitting the steering column shaft thing. So pretty mad about it, but whatever. Took the turbo back out. Had to grind down this a bit. As you can see, it's normally like that. And usually those bolts go in like this, but it still hits even with all this and the bolts in. I could either grind down the bolt or just put it in from this side, so I'll probably just have this stud go in out from this side. Got kind of sidetracked, started mocking up the vacuum hose. Also got this new addition to the family.
Changed since day one. Now we're changing our name to just like we've been doing right here since day one. Learn more at
So one of the things I got in the mail on Friday was a eBay catch can. Got it for about 20 bucks. I am gonna modify it because these things are kind of useless without the modification. I saw it on a forum. You get some copper tubing, put it in there. I still need to get the scour pads, like the metal stuff that you scrub on dishes. These are just open spouts. It doesn't do anything, essentially. So you need it to pick up from down here. Work on getting the catch can mounted, just to make the bracket and everything. I can't install it just yet because I need to get the pads for it. And I'm also going to work on the breather hose. So we got the catch can installed. Starting to come together. It's getting dark out. Time to call it a night. So we're working on modifying this catch can. So one of these is used for the air and the other one is used for oil pickup. It's not very efficient if the pickup's all the way at the top like that. I need to cut a couple pieces. Then I got a little elbow. So I'm following this forum post as like on an Evo or something like that. But gonna drill holes in this and then wrap it. Alright, so I'm gonna start by cutting the copper tubing, drilling into it, and I think I need to like solder it or something. So one of the nozzles on the coolant overflow will go to this thing right here. The other one's gonna go to my airflow thingy. There's a little spot on the air filter, it's like right here. It's one of these things. See, I cut it off because I thought I wasn't gonna use it. I'm kind of kicking myself because I needed it. But now I'm just gonna put one of these like air hose fittings in there. And that should be good enough. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, so I ended up modifying the little T thing. I'm going to run it sideways like some people do, so it's not sticking straight up like this. And then I'm going to just like have one of these things on there. And that's basically going to shoot out this way. And it's going to go to this one right here. Calling it a night. Peace out.